Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 15 Pro, replacing the main camera. Let's get started. At first, place the phone to a digital thermostat for 30 seconds. Now we're disassembling the phone. Now removing necessary flex cables from motherboard. Removing the camera. This is our new camera. Installing the new camera. Showing the camera error message. Checking the camera. The camera is okay. Now connect the phone to a desktop for firmware upgrade. Upgrading the phone to iOS 18.1.
Camera message.
Tap to reset and finish repair. Now connect to the internet.
The need internet.
No camera error message. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the iPhone 15 Pro rear camera. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.